These top cars keep arriving. This is without doubt the best Discovery you will find in the market today. Impossible to go and buy new from Land Rover. This car is truly, truly exceptional. Specification 1, colour 2, it's Carpathian Grey with a full Land Rover factory black pack. It's got the right look about it with that colour, but it's got the right wheels also. Gloss black 22-inch 5-arm wheels. It's the look that people want when they're buying a Discovery like this. Over and above that, it's the engine. D300, 300 brake horsepower. This car's got a tow bar, detachable tow bar. The specification levels on this car are just incredible. It's an aerodynamic SE with just ridiculous options. The guy who's bought this car new has ticked almost every box. It's got adaptive cruise control, it's got opening sunroof, it's got ventilated seats, it's got heated massage function seats, it's got rear climate control. It looks like this. It's got the two-tone interior. With 4,000 miles on, it's in a like-new condition, still under manufacturer's warranty until 2025. It is a 22-plate car. It is impossible to go and buy a car like this. It's the only one that looks like it with this specification for sale today. It won't last long. If you're interested in this car, use my number on the screen here. Give me a call directly. Because it's the 300, it's quick, it's got the pulling power, it's also got the tow bar in place. You don't have to go and fork out and buy that. Electric rear shelf. You'll see parcel shelf all in place, tow bars under there. You've got electric seat fold for your 2 rear seats. You've got air suspension settings here, and you've got assisted tailgate. Let's talk about the colour. Carpathian Grey is an optional colour for this car, over and above the normal option colours. It's probably the best looking colour for me against the factory black pack, and for sure when you open this car up and look inside, this two-tone interior is absolutely stunning. Now, options on these cars, it is an SE, there's so many to go through. I'm just going to turn the car on while you're looking in the back. So, a big feature of these cars is the rear climate control. So you'll see we have got the digital climate in the rear. If I jump in, I'll show you how that works. It's a big feature because, you know, not all these cars come with that. You've got twistable climate control for right and left. It's actually locked in the front, so I can't change it from the back because you can lock it at the front, but that is in place. We've got opening sunroof. Not only that, we've got the dual sunroof. So there's a sunroof in the 3rd row as well for your rear passengers. But then look at these seats, this two-tone seat, ivory and black leather, stunning. It's absolutely beautiful, this car, inside and out. Fitted floor mats, Meridian sound system. And then let's talk about some of these other options. So into the mirror, you'll see lane departure warning. It's a little light up warning sign there. The car's got adaptive cruise control. It's got memory seats for driver and passenger. It's got Meridian sound. I love the lightness of this interior on these new cars. I think that breaks the interior up so much with the white and black seat, as well mirrored on the dashboard. The seats are heated and ventilated, which is a massive thing, but it's also got the massage function, which I'll show you. It's incredible specification. Onto the steering wheel, again, lovely condition. Big, massive feature is the adaptive cruise control settings here. The car will keep its distance and brake and speed up from the car in front of you. Again, incredible specification. Sunroof, which I've mentioned, obviously tilt and slide. Again, a sunroof isn't standard in one of these cars, just as a normal glass roof. This one goes over and above to have the opening sunroof. And then this massive 11.4-inch touchscreen, media navigation. Big feature of this car again is the 3D surround camera, top view camera, reversing camera, and then the full surround view, which is just absolutely lovely. Look at that. Going into the settings for the seats. So we go into the main screen, into the seats. This is what this is all about. We've got, to turn it on, we've got cooled seats going up to heated seats, and then we've got massage function seats. Turn it on for me. You can change the intensity, you can change the massage type. It is absolutely incredible. We've got switchable driving modes, air suspension. I think the car has got everything I'd want from a Discovery. It's got the engine, it's got the right colour, it's got the right wheels, it's got incredible specification inside. It is an instant seller. Like I say, none of these cars available like this in this colour with these wheels. I've mentioned some things, but I've missed out things like painted mirrors, black roof, black all painted sills, painted sections into the front bumper with the aerodynamic body styling, grille, badges, LED lights. The car is an absolute belter. My name's Richard. Use my number on the screen to chat to me about this lovely discovery. Thanks for watching.